This is Conquest Hospital in Hastings and it's lifts all the time. Now to the first lift, which is an old Evans lift, although I think this lift might be from the 80s after the Otis takeover, as it doesn't have Evans' own buttons, it has old Dewhurst, and it doesn't really feel that much like an Evans lift, so I think it is after the Otis takeover, although only just after, as some of the Evans lifts here have the old Evans nameplate, and I know Otis very quickly replaced this nameplate with a more sort of generic looking Evans nameplate, so I think these lifts are from about 1982. Let's ride the first one! And now go along to the next lift, which is a modernised 80s Evans. And now go along to the next lifts. These ones have a rather creepy voice.
Third level. Third level. Third level. Second level. Second level. First level.
And now go along to the next lift, which wasn't working. So now go along to the next lift, which is the goods lift only. Even more reason to ride it. And now go along across the staff-only bridge into the other building, which I'm not supposed to go into. Even more reason to go into it. And the lift there is a really creepy 80s Evans. Let's ride it. And now go along to the other end of the hospital, and it's really dark in this part of the building, really creepy. And along to the lift there, which is a Hamilton Champ, this Dover, and this one is branded as Dover. Now that is really unusual. Let's ride it.